What if I told you the $500 stand mixer sitting on your wish list might actually be the worst choice for your kitchen? I spent weeks testing the 5 best stand mixers of 2026, pushing them through heavy bread dough, massive cookie batches, and hours of continuous mixing until something broke. One mixer overheated before the first loaf was done, another is the quietest machine I've ever used, and the winner? It dethroned KitchenAid in every single test. Stay tuned. Starting at number 1. KitchenAid 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. Best overall stand mixer. The KitchenAid stand mixer is a modern kitchen icon. This machine's streamlined look, twist-to-lock bowl, and simple controls have remained essentially unchanged since their introduction in 1937, and it's a testament to the design's quality that it's still a bestseller almost a century later. That applies to pros as much as home cooks, too. Stern says he loves KitchenAid because the mixers are classic, strong, and easy to repair if necessary. Additionally, you can choose from a variety of mixers in dozens of charming colors and designs. Each is attractive enough to leave on the countertop and small enough to stow away. In testing, the 5-quart Artisan works slightly slower than competitors, but it whipped, combined, and kneaded reliably, evenly, and thoroughly. It's easy to clean, thanks to a dishwasher-safe bowl and attachments with smooth surfaces and fewer corners to catch crumbs. The motor placement makes it top-heavy, however, which leads to wobbling and shaking when running at high speed or when the bowl is full. It's also quite loud. However, this stand mixer is the best choice for anyone getting started in baking or needing a simple option. It can last through decades of cookies, breads, and more for an impressively low price. Number 2. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. Best splurge stand mixer. I love my KitchenAid, O'Brien says. I felt like a real grown-up when I got my first one. She's had the same model at home for more than 15 years, and it's an older version of this 7-quart monster. It's the biggest one I can get, she enthuses. Rather than tilting the head down into the bowl, as with smaller KitchenAid mixers, this one uses a crank to lift and lock the bowl in place under the stationary motor. It's more stable than the tilt head design. This bowl lift model was quieter and less wobbly than the other 3 KitchenAids we tested, and having the option to lower the bowl made scraping down the sides much easier. The redesigned 7-quart KitchenAid comes with more attachments than most of its brand mates, including a whisk, dough hook, and 2 beaters, the standard coated flat beater and a flat beater with silicone bowl scraping edges. We were most impressed by the large mixer's ability to handle small amounts. It was able to reach all parts of the bowl, even when mostly empty. We were particularly impressed with setting up the machine, attaching the bowl, and adjusting the settings, which are all functional and intuitive. Because of its ease of use and its unbeatable efficiency, this model was the only one to get perfect ratings and all positive comments in testing, bar maybe the weight of the machine. If you have the space and the money, it's a good option whether you're feeding large or small groups. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. Best compact stand mixer. This compact version of the classic KitchenAid is ideal for cooks with big aspirations who have limited kitchen space. The Mini works just like the other 2 KitchenAid models on our list, only with a smaller capacity and less weight. It has 10 speeds and comes with a standard set of a beater, dough hook, and whisk. It's compatible with most of KitchenAid's handy attachments, including the meat grinder, pasta maker, and spiralizer. The Mini's beater blade features a flexible silicone edge that effectively scrapes the sides of the bowl, allowing us to thoroughly incorporate smaller batches of cookie dough quickly. It had no trouble in our whipped cream test, turning in one of the fastest times. Meringue also whipped up almost effortlessly, except for having to scrape the bowl once to incorporate sugar into the egg whites. Kneading dough, however, was not its strength. A 1-loaf recipe was able to fit in the bowl, barely, but the low-power motor got very loud, and the whole machine started to bob up and down slightly as the gluten developed. This machine is best suited for the small batch baker. Number 4. GE Smart Mixer. Best large capacity stand mixer. The GE Profile Smart Mixer is a baker's workhorse meant to be used often. Even with its 7-quart capacity, this bowl lift stand mixer is the most stable we tested, as it exhibited no wobbling instability throughout our tests. We also found that the motor wouldn't get hot while it mixed bread dough, thick cookie dough, and meringue at high speeds. We love this mixer's integrated scale system that helps with precise baking and conserving dishes. You can measure on the base itself, in the bowl on the base, and on the mixer head. Plus, the hub is compatible with third-party accessories like KitchenAid attachments. The GE is notably heavier than the other models we tested, making it difficult to transfer between the countertop and storage. It's really best kept on the countertop for frequent use. We also didn't find the app to be very useful, since you have to confirm your app selections on the physical machine. But, smart bells and whistles aside, this stand mixer is a baker's dream. Number 5. KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The best affordable KitchenAid stand mixer. This is the least pricey stand mixer KitchenAid offers, despite being 1.5 quarts larger and having a more powerful motor than the Artisan Mini. It's also a footed, bowl-lock, tilt-head stand mixer. So, why the lower price? We think it's because the bowl lacks a handle, and the mixer only comes in 2 colors, black and white. Best for the casual home baker who wants to get the most budget-friendly KitchenAid stand mixer and who doesn't care about its colorway. Challenges or shortcomings: we wouldn't recommend this stand mixer for frequent, heavy-duty use or a lot of bread baking. We're not super fans of footed stand mixer bowls. So there you have it, the 5 best stand mixers of 2026. All the links for your purchase are waiting for you right down in the description. If this video helped you choose the right mixer for your baking, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.